Hi, this is Sharon. Here's a little sampler from my Burning Academy. Enjoy!
Darken the inner areas of that ear and then curve around like this to show the concave surface that is inside that ear. That helps to re-emphasize what it is that the viewer is looking at. We are showing what's on top by pushing back the background. And cutting in here so that the fur that's coming out of the ear will look as if it's right on top. It's basically the same thing we did down here, right here over the eye. It's just a little bit more complicated in this scenario. So just watch what you're doing and pull that out. There we go. And then what I'll do is I'll come in from the other side over here. Not quite as dark, but I'll come in from here, and that will close that circuit, so to speak. It's not really a circuit, but it'll close that shape. You can work this out as you are developing. And again, this depends, or if you're making a specific cat like this one, I'm trying to make it look like my little Braxton kitty. I'm going to come in through here and begin, because this is kind of messy and it doesn't really look like there's fur on top. So now what I'm going to do is, with a skew, I'm going to go ahead and add in those details. Okay, and then I've got other lines in here, and I'm going to begin cleaning all of this up so that it looks very detailed, and to give the illusion that these strands of fur actually are on top. Okay, and so I will continue to develop that. I'm also going to bring in some of this fur. This is much shorter, finer fur on this side. Bring that in.